excited ako kay ang next na nga i-feature sa persona is someone that is close also to my heart kay not only nga entrepreneur siya and she used to be a banker, she has a kind heart.
Karang iya nga istorya magasilbi nga inspirasyon sa kadamaan. Imagine how was she able to continue sining restaurant na considered naton siguro one of the oldest restaurant in the Visayas.
Yeah.
18 years na making BFF.
Yes. Gadugang nagitahong nga taho. Ang wala pa kakadto dire, kadtugid ka mo dire sa Balaring Silay. Tandaan nyo ang ngalan, Seaside Floating Restaurant.
Ano ba lang istorya sa likod sining makapit natin? Very amazing woman. Ang among abyan nga si
Leny Castillo.
Let's watch this.
Pag-start ko lang na diya, kay taga-Balaring ko, so kaong-kaong kami, sisi, kaya mo ginadiya sisi talaba sa Balaring. Amo ginadiya ang pero of course, ang mga tao di, ang source of living nila, tangkop, pangisda, ang mga babae diya, embroidery, kasi nadula na silang embroidery, but there are old women pa nga nag-embroider, mano, ang ay subong kwa na high speed na inami maaari, kaya nga nag-embroider, natahong niya, sa high speed na. Sama ko, mapatindog ko na, out of the sun pa din, na floating restaurant. Daw mo lang na sa tunga dagat. Nasigdasig lang. Daguro mga December na. Tapos, mga February, yung joke pa mga classmates ko. Mapatindog na floating restaurant, makadto ka mo. Daw wala man lang sa akon. It did not come in an instant. We tried to build it slowly. After the 3 kubos, we tried to build the function room wherein you can have your private affair there. We hold birthdays, weddings, debuts there. Okay? And after which we also build another 3 kubos there, okay, for smaller groups. So you can have your private function there also. 8 to 10 persons in one small group. Then, during this pandemic, we tried to build this one, the coffee and bar, to accommodate also the young ones.
Yeah.
Of course, uso ang coffee But ultimately, a lot of our customers wanted to dine here. So, aside from coffee and bar, this became a dining area also.
Okay.
Then after the coffee and bar, we build the beach house, wherein anyone who wants to spend an overnight stay can be there, can enjoy the scenery of the beach.
Yes.